న్యూస్ ప్రతిరోజు కొత్త మ్యాగజైన్స్ మన 10th D నుండి.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఈనాటి ముఖ్యాంశాలు. టీమిండియా చీఫ్ సెలెక్టర్గా అగార్కర్, ఏకగ్రీవంగా సిఫార్సు చేసిన క్రికెట్ సలహాదారుల కమిటీ, 26 టెస్టులు 191 వన్డేలు ఆడిన అజిత్, వ్యక్తిగత డేటా పరిరక్షణ బిల్ ముసాయిదాకు కేంద్ర మంత్రివర్గం ఆమోదం, నిబంధనలను ఉల్లంఘించిన సంస్థలకు ప్రతిసారి 250 కోట్ల జరిమానా, వెస్టిండీస్తో 2020కి భారత్ జట్టు ప్రకటన, తెలుగు కుర్రాడు తిలోక్ వర్మకు చోటు, హార్దిక్ పాండ్యాకు సారథ్య బాధ్యతలు. జూన్ 26 నుంచి ప్రారంభమైన అన్నదాతల ఖాతాల్లో రైతు బంధు జమ, కొత్తగా 1,50,000 మంది పోడు భూమి యజమానులకు వర్తింపు, మొత్తం 70 లక్షల మందికి పెట్టుబడి సాయం. థ్యాంక్ యూ. Science will unlock the secrets of the universe. So here is my friend to say scientific thought. A very good morning to everyone. This is the equation elite. We are creative equations of Chanakya. Friends, do all animals have fingerprints like us? No, all animals do not have fingerprints like us. Only the animals who share common ancestors with human beings have fingerprints. But there is an animal who do not share any relationship with human beings but have fingerprints. That is koala. Koala have fingerprints which enables them to hold the trees very firmly. And it also helpful to the human beings to know the difference of koalas. Thank you. And my mathematical thought is, where there is creative thinking process, there is mathematics. Thank you. In a spirit of spreading positivity, I wanted to send a message filled with inspiration and encouragement to fuel your dreams and aspirations. Here are my friends. Good and happy morning. This is Exponent Expert. We are Creative Equations of Chanakya. Now I am going to say Telugu message. మీ బద్ధకం మరియు భయం నుండి బయటకు రండి మరియు విజయవంతమైన సంతోషకరమైన జీవితాన్ని గడపండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ. మీ బద్ధకం మరియు భయం నుండి బయటకు రండి మరియు విజయవంతమైన సంతోషకరమైన జీవితాన్ని గడపండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
सबको शुभोदय. मैं रेडियंट रेंजर हूँ. आज का संदेश, तुम लोग डर और आलसीपन हटाओ और सफलता के ओर जाकर खुशी से अपना जीवन गुजारो. धन्यवाद.
Happy morning to everyone. This is Circle Congruent. We are from Creative Thoughts of Equations. I am going to tell English message. Come out of your sloth and fear and lead a life of success and happiness. Our mathematical thought is,
Where there is a beauty, there is mathematics.
Riddles are designed to engage our imagination, challenges and our assumptions, and encourage us to think out of the box. Here are my friends to ask riddles.
Good morning to everyone. We are Creative Equations. We are polynomial puzzlers of Chanakya.
Now we are here to ask riddles. What goes through cities and fields but never moves? Answer: a road.
What goes around the whole yard without moving?
Correct
Answer: fence.
What gets wet while drying? What gets wet while drying? Answer: a towel.
What can you put in a bucket to make it weight loss? What can you put in a bucket to make it weight loss? Answer: a hole.
What question can you never answer? S2. What question can you never answer? S2. No. Are you asleep yet?
What goes from Z to A? From Z to A. Answer zebra.
If there are 3 apples you take away 2, how many apples do you have? Answer, you have 2 apples. Our mathematical thought is the universe and everything.
Obey the laws of mathematics.
Thank you.
Success requires determination, discipline, and a comprehensive understanding strategies and mindset useful to navigate the challenges along the way. I welcome my friend Rishita to say tips for success.
Good morning to everyone. Creative equations of Chanakya. Myself, Angel Achiever. Now I am going to say tips for success. Concentrate on your goals, then you can achieve what you think about. Focus on the better results. Start and stay focused. Improve optimism. Improve yourself from the past. My mathematical thought is, where there is a creativity, there is a mathematics. Thank you. We have a trio. They can move the mountains by their voice and a style that can make you feel like you are in a dream. Please welcome our class singers.
Good and happy morning to everyone. This is equation elite.
This is exponent expert.
This is variable variant. We are creative equations of Chanakya. Today we are going to sing a song.
కోలోన పల్లె కోడి కూతల్లే వల్లిసుకుందే కోడేలాగల్లే యాప పుల్లల సేదు నమ్లిందే రామ 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 తలుపు పోసుకుందే నానేల తల్లే అలికి పోసుకుందే ముగ్గు సుక్కల్లే సద్ది మూటల్లే సగబెట్టుకుందే బాయి గిర్కన పల్లె హే తెల్ల తెల్లని పాలదారలల్ల పల్లె తెల్లారుతుంటదిరా గుళ్ళోని గంటలు కాదెట్ల మెల్లోన జంటగా మోగుతా ఉంటాయిరా నాగలి భుజాన పెట్టుకుంటే దోస్తులు చేసినట్టేరా గొడ్డు గోదా పక్కన ఉంటే కొన్నంత బలగం ఉన్నట్టురా చల్లగాలి మోసుకొచ్చేరా సేను సెలకలా ముచ్చట్లు దారి పొడుగు చెట్ల కొమ్మలా రాలుతున్న పూల చప్పట్లు గడ్డి మోపులు కాల్వగట్టులు చెమట సుక్కల్లో తడిసిన ఈ మట్టి గంధాల ఊరు పల్లెటూరు దీని తీరే అమ్మ తీరు కొంగులోన దాసి పెట్టి కొడుకుకిచ్చే ప్రేమ వేరు ఊరు పల్లెటూరు దీని తీరే కన్న కూతురు కన్న ముందే ఎదుగుతున్న సంబరాల పంట పైరు బంద గడపల మందన పల్లె గోడ కట్టని గూడున పల్లె చెరువుల తుల్లెటి జల్ల షాపులే రామ 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 మావ అత్త బావ బాపు వరసల్లే ఊరంత చుట్టాల ముల్లెన పల్లె దారంలో వదిగిన పూల దండలే రంగుల సింగిడి పల్లె రచ్చబండ మీద ఆటలు ఛాయ బండి కాడ మాటలు వచ్చిపోయేటోళ్ళ మందలించుకునే సంగతే గమ్మతి తట్టబుట్టలల్ల కూర తొక్కులు చుట్టబట్టలల్ల బీడి కట్టలు చేతనైన సాయం చేసే మనుషులు మావి పూత కాసినట్టే మనస్సులు ఊరంటే రోజు గది సచ్చేదాకా ఉంటది అది ఊరు నా ఊరు దీని తీరే అమ్మ తీరు కొంగులోన దాసి పెట్టి కొడుకుకిచ్చే ప్రేమ వేరు ఊరు పల్లెటూరు దీని తీరే కన్న కూతురు కళ్ళ ముందే ఎదుగుతున్న సంబరాల పంట పైరు వంద గడపల మందన పల్లె గోడ కట్టని గూడున పల్లె చెరువుల తుల్లెటి జల్ల షాపులే రామ 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 మావ అత్త బావ బాపు వరసల్లే ఊరంత చుట్టాల ముల్లేన పల్లె దారంలో వదిగిన పూల దండల్లే రంగుల సింగిడి పల్లె.
Thank you. Our mathematical thought is, where there is constructive thinking process,
There is mathematics.
get ready to have your mind blown. Who will be sharing some incredible facts that you won't believe are true. Please welcome our classmates who will be taking us on a journey of discovery.
Good and happy morning to everyone. Creative equations of Chanakya. We are trigonometry titans. Now we are going to some amazing fact. Saturn has the moon that's bigger than the Mercury. Ants have 2 stomachs. Surface of the moon is smaller than Asia. Penguins can swim 3,100 miles in a year.
A woman's heart usually beats faster than a man's heart.
Almonds are belongs to rose family.
Ants are lived on Earth for some 140 million years.
Winds can reach over 50 miles in hour in a strong blizzard.
Owls are the only birds that can see the color blue.
Snails can smell with their lips. Our mathematical equation is where there is ability of decision making, there is
Mathematics.
Thank you. How the snail smells? In an year, penguins, how much miles it can swim? 3,100 miles.
How many million years does ant live on it? What is the bigger than the Asia? Which is bigger than the What is bigger than the Saturn's moon?
Very good.
Thank you.
Tongue twisters are playful words that test your ability to pronounce tricky words. I am thrilled to introduce our tongue twister segment. Good morning to everyone. We are creating innovations of Chanakya.
Myself, Angle Achiever.
Myself, Tangent Thinker. Myself, Math Magician.
Now we are going to ask tongue twisters. In Mirgani, Mamma, Kachet, Koch, Kamari, Manskin, Match, and the Vish, Abra. Can anyone? Mirgani, Mamma, Kachet, Koch, Kamari, Manskin, Match, and the Vish, Abra. Hint is this poem is related to Telugu. Total poem. No.
समझ समझ के समझ को समझा, समझ समझना भी एक समझ है, समझ समझ के जो ना समझे मेरी समझ में वो ना समझ है। समझ समझ के समझ को समझो, समझ समझना भी एक समझ है, समझ समझ के जो ना समझे मेरी समझ में वो ना समझ है। cos A plus B to cos A minus B equal to cos square B minus sin square A. cos A plus B to cos A minus B equal to cos square B minus sin square A. cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Wrong. Our mathematical thought is
Mass is here.
mass is there, mass is everywhere. Thank you. Let's expand our vocabulary with the help of our next speakers, who will be sharing some exciting new words. Please welcome Aksa and Manasvi to the stage.
Happy morning to everyone. Myself, Algebraic Avenger.
Myself, Formula Fantastic.
We are creative equations of Chanakya. Now we are here to say vocabulary. Where QUIRK, a peculiar aspect of a particular person's character or behavior.
Amendment AMENDMENT, a part that is added or a small change that is made to a piece of writing, especially to a law.
And our mathematical thought is, mathematics gives us a hope that when there is a problem, there will be a solution.
Thank you. GK questions helps us to unlock the doors to a wealth of knowledge and invite you to immerse yourself in the wonders of the world. Here are my friends to ask GK questions.
Good and magical morning to everyone. We are creative equations of Chanakya.
I am science scholar.
Myself, I am ratio rider.
I am math magician.
Now we are going to ask GK questions.
What is the original name of Santa Claus?
Saint Nicholas.
What is the full form of ICICI Bank? Answer. Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India.
The first pressure cooker was made in which year? No. 1679. Who is the present governor of West Bengal? Dr. Ananda Bose.
On which river bank city Ayodhya is situated? No. River Sarayu.
Which country is known as the land of white elephants? Answer is Thailand. Where was the fourth edition of the G20 Space Economy Leaders Meeting held? Where was the fourth edition of the G20 Space Economy Leaders Meeting held? Bangalore.
Which is the most peaceful country according to Global Peace Index 2023? No. Iceland.
The term tea is used commonly in which sport? The term tea is mainly used in which sport?
Yes. Golf.
The National Institute of Science Educational Research is located in which state? The National Institute of Science Educational Research is located in which state? Wrong answer. Odisha.
Who brought river goddess Ganga to the earth? Correct answer.
Which
Answer. Bhagirath.
Which state has become the first state to achieve 100% primary education in India? Kerala.
Who is the new president of Basketball Federation of India? Who is the new president of Basketball Federation of India? Answer. Adar Arjun.
Our mathematical thought is, where there is an arrangement, there is mathematics. In the world of numbers, where patterns unfold, where equations dance and mysteries are told, we welcome our class singer to sing a song.
Good and enthusiastic morning to everyone. I am Daniel Tinker. Creative equations of Chanukya. Sin theta, opposite by hypotenuse cos theta, adjacent by hypotenuse tan theta, opposite by adjacent this is called trigonometry. Cosec theta equals 1 by sin theta secant theta equals 1 by cos theta cot theta equals 1 by tan. theta secant theta equals 1 by cos theta cot theta equals 1 by tan theta. Together we are trigonometric ratios. My mathematical thought is where there is a right angle triangle, there is trigonometry. Thank you.
Lack of constitutional literacy in our society. We are losing democratic values. So here is my friend to give awareness about constitutional literacy.
A very happy morning to everyone. This is Radical Ruler, Creative Equations of Chanakya. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign socialist, secular democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and the integrity of the nation. Not having the constitutional literacy leads to lack of our rights and responsibilities as citizens. So everyone should be aware of these constitutional literacies. Every religion has their own holy book, but the only holy book for all religions in India is Indian Constitution. My mathematical thought is, where there is truthness, there is mathematics. Thank you.
Mimicry is a remarkable skill that allows some to imitate the voices, mannerisms and characteristics of others. So I invite my classmates to do mimicry.
Good morning to everyone. This is Matrix Master Jeevan.
This is Hypertense Shakir.
This is Graph Guru Ritvik. We are here to do mimicry. I want a book which consists of whole mathematical formulas. శాసనాల గ్రంథం తెప్పించండి.
Emotional damage.
Name the bird which is going extinct nowadays. Sparrow. Scientific name. Jack Sparrow.
ఏంటి కామెడీయా, ఏం దాదాగిరియా, ఏం దొబ్బేస్తున్నానా?
Me acting when my father is nearby me.
हेलो जीवन.
हेलो, आप कौन? कहाँ लगे गया फोन? आपका नाम क्या है? हमसे क्या काम है?
जीवन, I want some motivation.
Nobody believes in you. You lost again and again. The lights are cut off, but you're still looking at your dreams. Doing every day and say yourself, it's not over until over. Omni cars, when they break. Did you hear something? If you did not hear, sorry for that. The brake is failed.
అరే రిత్విక్, నాకు భయం అవుతుంది, ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఉన్నాయి.
ఏమైనా వస్తాయా?
ఫస్ట్ లెసన్ ఒకటే వచ్చరా?
నాకు సెకండ్ చాప్టర్ వస్తుంది, ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తా అని. థర్డ్ చాప్టర్ రాదురా. నాకు థర్డ్ చాప్టర్ ఒకటే ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడానికి వస్తుంది కానీ ఫస్ట్ సెకండ్ రావు.
అయినా భయం అవుతుందిరా.
ఏం కాదురా, మనం ఒక్కొక్కటిగా ఆటం. కలిస్తే మాలిక్యూల్, మనం ఒక్కొక్కరిగా రాయి, కలిస్తే కొండ.
అయితే ఒక్కొక్కటిగా మొక్క, కలిస్తే పంట.
ద సౌండ్ ఆఫ్ చించన్.
मैं हूँ सिंचन हो रहा उम्र 5 साल, क्या आपको शिमला मिर्च पसंद है? वाह एक्शन कमेंट.
How famous anime characters introduce themselves? Naruto. Uzumaki Naruto, datte wayo. Luffy from One Piece.
Oriwa monkey di Luffy.
Madara Uchiha.
Wake up to reality. Nothing ever goes planned in this accursed world. The more you live, the more you realize the only thing that remains is pain and suffering.
When two cats fight. The sound of horse.
The sound of dog.
The sound of supercars.
Or mathematical clock, where there is planning,
There is mathematics.
Thank you.
Thank you.
As we bring this assembly to a close, this is the moment where we express our gratitude and appreciation to all those who have contributed to the success of gathering. Here is my friend to tell vote of thanks.
Good and happy morning. This is Equation Expert, Creative Equations of Chanakya. I would like to thank all for gracing us with your presence, and I would also like to thank all of my classmates for putting your efforts together for this event. Without their hard work and dedication, this event would have not been possible. I would like to extend special thanks to class teachers who have been worked behind the scenes to run everything smoothly. And I would also extend my heartfelt thanks to Principal Sir and Ma'am for giving this incredible opportunity. I hope that you have found it informative and enjoyable. Thank you. My mathematical thought is, where there is an innovation, there is mathematics. Thank you.
Thank you, Principal Sir and Priya Ma'am, for giving this wonderful opportunity to us. We hand over our mic to our class teacher. At last, a motto which we want to dedicate to our class teacher. It is mathematics. Thank you.
Good morning, students. Today I will say positive thinking. Teachers are giving homeworks to you daily, but you are neglecting that. After seeing homework in your room will teach you 5 things. Once observe, roof means ceiling. Aim high. Fan says be cool. Clock says every minute is precious. Mirror says reflect before you act. Window says see the world with me. By seeing window we can learn many things. If you close your window in your room, what will happen? It darken it. If you open the window, let light in. Similarly, your mind is your room. If you close your mind while teaching, it darken it. If you open your mind while teaching, it will fill with knowledge. Do you darken it or fill it with knowledge? Good. Think positive, talk positive, feel positive. Thank you.
Mathematics is all about creativity, and as you say, it's all about solving the problems. So that is why the program is also very creative. Maybe because you are a mathematics teacher, that I do not know. It was absolutely wonderful from beginning to end. The news too, till the mimicry, everything was well crafted and well performed and well rehearsed as well. For the class teacher and for the leader, all the students of 10th class D section, a good round of applause.